Hello everybody, it's Cindy. Excuse my camera here, please. I'm using it as a microphone today, so I hope my sound isn't too bad, but I wanted to hop on and say a quick hello. And I haven't really explained what our September project is for this month, so here we go. I'm pretty excited about it. We are going to be making a journal out of a file folder. This is one of the very first journals I ever made, and it's still holding up surprisingly. So we're going to make a junk journal out of a file folder. We're going to do the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, which intimidates a lot of people, but once you know the little tricks, it's really easy to do. And I'm not sure we will get to all of the signatures on the inside, but we're going to make the cover. And what you're getting, if you're in the curated supplies group, you are going to be getting a file folder. And that's why I'm late getting this video out, because I finally got these in. Shipping is not great right now. The cost of shipping, the timeliness, so I'm really struggling with these kits, but I'm going to keep going and not raise my prices. So I'm excited about these file folders though. So what these are William Morris prints. Let me hold them up one at a time. If you don't know William Morris was in the arts and crafts movement. He's British, back in the 1800s, and he did textiles, wallpaper. He was a poet. His work is just world renowned, and it just really appeals to me. It's gorgeous. Look at that one. So we have so many beautiful ones. If you're in the curated supplies and you see one of these that you prefer over the others, let me know. I can't guarantee that that you can get it, because I only have a limited amount of each one, but I want to send you one. If there's one that really looks like one that you like, just let me know, somehow describe it to me. And I also have, I bought several sets of these, so I have about 5 extra. So if you are in the, I can't remember the names of my groups, if you're in the free membership, the digital, or the bookmaker enthusiast group, and you want a kit, you can join. You can join just for the month. If you see a kit that you like, you can join just for that month. There's no obligation, then you can cancel the next month. But to get this particular kit, excuse me, you need to sign up by September 25th, and it will only be the first 5 people that get the kit. If you join after the 25th, then you will get an October kit, because I only have so many supplies and I have to get them out. I was letting people join right up until the last day of the month, and it just was really stressing me out, so I hope you understand about that. But I do have at least 5. I haven't counted them yet. I haven't looked to see who's paid for September yet. I have at least 5 extra if you would like to join us just for a month. So thank you to our new curated supplies members that joined in the last week or so, Randy and Tamara. I'm terrible at thanking everybody, but know that I'm always thanking you in my heart, because this is enabling me to make videos, and I love curating kits for you guys and then doing a tutorial with the kit. If you don't want to be in the curated supplies group, you can be in the bookmaker enthusiast group and you'll get the video, and you can use your own file folder. That's great too. So I don't think I just have, I'm not going to show it, but I've really been working I've really been working on kits and tutorials and ideas for the rest of the year, and I have some super fun projects coming up. If you join either one of the top 2 tiers, you get a project every month. We complete one project every month, and so that's a goal of mine, is to help you use your supplies and actually finish a project if you can every month, even if it's just a little something. So let's see. I think that's all I have to say for right now. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm very grateful for you, and I'm going to be seeing you a lot more in the next couple of weeks. Okay, take care. Bye.